सौर उर्जेच्या उपेगाविशीं गोंयांत हाडिल्ले धोरणाची प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांणी तुस्त केल्या। हाचे वेल्यान गोंयांत सौर उर्जेचे उपेग करून बऱ्यापैकी उर्जा निर्मिती जावं येता अशें दिसता आनी ताकाच लागून सरकारान आतां 3 लिनियर प्रकल्पाची गरज ना। देखून हे प्रकल्प रद्द करून सोलर धोरणाचेर सरकारान काम करचें आनी उर्जा निर्मिती करची अशें विधान विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव हांणी केलें।
Trying to show? Are you all trying to wipe out the history? He made a mention that the freedom struggle histories of it is taken out of the books. This is a shocking thing. Culture is a Pradhan Mantri एक statement केलो and he congratulated the Goa government for Goa's solar contribution. विधानसभेन जेन्ना आमी हो प्रश्न घातलेलो त्या वेळार the answer given to us was Goa's contribution was 34 megawatts of the 150 megawatts towards 300 gigawatts of contribution of India to the world. That means the Prime Minister is happy with Goa's solar generation. At this venue, 2 years ago, the Congress party had demanded and said that if we would come to power, we would scrap the 3 linear projects. Today, I demand that since the Prime Minister is happy with Goa's solar generation, that means these 3 linear projects have to be scrapped. They are not in Goa's interest.